Welcome to PAALER's Project Showcase. Today, we're proud to present our industrial matting solution at Chengdu Beste Tools, one of Asia's leading manufacturers and service providers of diamond drill bits for the oil and gas industry. In their high-precision machining center, CNC machines operate around the clock, generating oil, coolant, and metal debris as part of the daily workflow. These conditions present a significant safety and cleanliness challenge, especially around machine bases and technician workstations. Spilled oil and coolant can easily lead to slip hazards, not just in the immediate area, but throughout the workshop as workers unknowingly carry contaminants on their shoes. Over time, this increases cleaning costs and compromises both productivity and safety. To address this, PAALER introduced a targeted floor matting solution using our Absorba Plus Mat, a high-performance, multi-layer industrial mat designed to absorb oil, coolant, and water-based fluids, while providing a safe, anti-slip surface underfoot. We strategically placed these mats around key machining stations close to lathes, grinders, and CNC equipment, ensuring that fluids are captured at the source. This not only protects workers from slip and fall risks, but also prevents contaminants from spreading to other parts of the workshop. Thanks to our matting system, the Chengdu facility has seen a notable improvement in workshop hygiene, safety, and maintenance efficiency. At PAALER, we believe that a smart factory starts from the ground up. With the right matting solution in place, your workspace can be cleaner, safer, and more productive. PAALER Better Mat, Better Floor.